Now we're going to look up at another interactive report, which is an extension to TestNG only, called as ReportNG. Now, if you go to mvnrepository.com and search for ReportNG library over here, you can see ReportNG is a simple HTML reporting plugin for TestNG unit testing framework. So there is no coding that you need to do in order to implement ReportNG, right? You simply need to add this dependency in your pom.xml file. So open up your pom.xml file and add a dependency over here. Control S, right? So this will going to give you some jar files. Basically, you'll see a jar file of ReportNG and some velocity jar. This is the main jar file. If you open this jar file, there is a class that is HTML reporter. This is your listener class inside a package org uncommons.reportng. Now, you need not to do anything. You just need to go to your testng XML file where you have defined the listener tag. You just need to add this class over here, the HTML reporter class. So HTML reporter. Now this class is inside a package org uncommons.reportng. So org.uncommons.reportng. And that's it. And now what you need to do is just run this project again. Just right click, say run as testng suite, and that's it. Oh, we got some exception. There's a class not found exception. Okay. Okay, so there is one dependent jar file to this. While adding this ReportNG jar file, it is recommended to add this jar file provided by Google. This is Google Juice, right? This is a dependent jar file for your ReportNG. So just copy this and paste it to your pom.xml. So these are the two things that you need to add. Right. So some additional jars are added, right? So now if I right click, run as testng suite again, and if you refresh your project, you'll see that if you open this test output, an HTML folder is also generated. If you open it, you'll see another index.html file. Open this, open index.html, and see you'll see another report, more interactive, right? How many pass, fail, skip, the percentage, right? Duration. Go to the pass test. You'll see to log into your registration pass. These all failed exception. But this HTML, it is actually showing the HTML string printed as it is. Although we have all the fail exception, skip exception, right? All these exceptions are there, but this should come as a HTML output. Now, in order to generate an output, there is a flag that you need to add wherever you are writing this HTML code. So in your listener class, just before this, I need to add a tag that is system.setProperty, this class, this package, uncommon report ng escape output to false. This is what you need. This is a requirement. This is provided by ReportNG itself. In order to see the HTML output in this report, you need to add this. That's it. If you add it over here, if you run this code again and refresh your report, and this time you should be able to see the HTML output, right? Click on this, click on the link. So this is more interactive report. Wherever the failure is there, a screenshot is shown. Rest, pass and skip, the screenshot will not be shown because we have added this in our test failure listener itself, right? So this is what another interactive report is. All right, thank you. And one more thing, in your live sessions, if you go down in the series, you'll find some live projects. So in the live projects, I've covered another interactive report that is called as extent report. So that one is more interactive as compared to what we have seen right now. So just try practicing around these reports first, and then you can move towards the extent report as well. All right. Thank you.